my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I'm doing a Shein try on. Now, I've done a whole bunch of these on my TikTok, but I got another one. I'm addicted to buying things off Shein, guys. Don't even tell me, don't even come for me, but I got this big package. And I always just buy all the stuff off there. It's always like $5, $6. I got lots of Dinosaur stuff this time, so I thought I'd do an unboxing with you guys on camera so we can see what I got from Shein. So if you guys like these hauls, let me know in the comments down below, because I am primarily posting them on my TikTok. Go check that out in the link down below. Can I even link that? I don't know. But anyway, let's go ahead and open up what we have here. So, I feel like I need to get some scissors up here. Oh my gosh, literally. This is gonna bust open. I got a lot. Okay, let's like adjust the camera right now so we can see. Look at all the stuff that's inside. Okay, I'm like, there's so many fluffy things. I didn't even get that many fluffy things. What? Did I order multiple or something? That looks like that's the same as that. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what I've got now. Okay, and then here's another thing. What else have we got in here? Oh my god, there's another fluffy thing. Did I misorder something? Oh my gosh, no! I'm sure I only ordered one of those. Okay, and then we've got, yes! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yes, look at this! Ah! Oh my god, and then I got this. I got a whole bunch of cute stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking excited. And we have another, these are like cute little trackies. Another dinosaur top. Another jumper. I saw Peach PRC wearing this and I had to have it for myself. So I got that, and then I got a cute little dress, and then what are all these little things I got in here? Oh, this is my atmosphere light, so I got a light here, yes, okay. Then I'm like, what else do I have? Alright, so I got these butterfly clips. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love butterfly clips. I got like the nude kind of colors, beige colors, yes. And then I got this, this kind of like glitter. It reminded me of like Euphoria glitter. I really wanted to do a review on it. Like open up this bad boy. Doesn't want to open. Eee! I don't want to. It's not opening. I'm like, no, come on. Literally, I can't wait to try on all these clothes. I'm freaking excited. Okay. So yeah, I have this opened. This I was so excited about because this was only like $4 or $5 and I was like, hell yeah. If I can open it now, maybe I'll just rip open the box. I don't know. If you guys want individual reviews, then let me know as well, because I hope this is good. I hope. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, all right, let's get in here. Okay. Literally. All right, she's got another seal. That's right, we can deal with that. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, the little stars. Oh my god. Okay, we'll put that down. Look at that. Oh my freaking god, yes. That is stunning. Yes, oh my god. Ooh. I'm gonna put the lid back on that to save as much as I can. That's really cute. Yes, okay. Now what else did I get? Oh, I got a phone case to match my jumper. Look at that. I thought that was really cute. Nice new phone case. And then I got another phone case. This one has butterflies on it. It looked so pretty. Yeah, let's open her up. I just love going on there. Honestly, it's so addicting. It's like AliExpress in big hauls. Like, look how cute that is. I just like, I need that in my life. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm so excited. It all arrived. Oh, and then I got these earrings. They're kind of like the gold earrings that everyone has at the minute. I'm going to open her up. Because these are like those earrings that like everyone has. And I was like, I need these in my life. They're so cute. You know, just the little ones that you just hang from your ears. Like, look. I got a whole bunch of different ones. So they'll all go along in my holes there. So I'm excited to put all those on. Because I literally want to wear those. Oh my god, I feel like it's gonna be a super long video. Eee! Oh my god, and then these are glow-in-the-dark stickers for like nail art. Just a whole bunch of glow-in-the-dark stickers there for nail art. I thought that was cool. And then you know what else have we got in the end part? Oh, I got a comb to do my hair, since you can see I've got my nice little blonde streak, so that's to do some sectioning and stuff. And then I also got clear butterfly clips. You can't go wrong with just getting some nice clear ones. I just think butterfly clips are really cute. They're also coming back in real hard. These are adorable. Look at these. These are so adorable. Yes. Okay. So I got them. And then I have... Oh, I also got these earrings. See, with the little resin flowers in it. I thought those were so cute. I'm really into gold at the minute, so I'm obsessed with that. And then, oh, I got some sunglasses, apparently. Did I? Is that all the stuff I ordered? I thought I ordered more. Did I drop anything? I thought I ordered more earrings when I looked at my order. Yeah, I guess. I don't actually remember buying sunglasses, so I'm excited to see what these look like. But yeah, I so thought that I had more. Oh, these are nice glass case. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, blue light glasses. I ordered blue light glasses. Yeah, these were like $5. And I was like, yes. Oh my god, they are actually blue light glasses. These are really good. Oh my gosh, and I look cute. I look cute in these. Oh my gosh, okay. These were so cheap, these ones. I do wonder where my other earrings went because I'm so sure I ordered another style of gold earring. I'm going to check my order. That's alright, this is iconic. I love this. This is beautiful. Fantastic. Amazing. It was like $4. Yes. Alright, so I've had a look at the things I've ordered. So I am missing one thing, but it is not what I thought. So that's good. Didn't realize that I was missing that. So, yeah. I feel like I need to take this off. The earrings, I feel like I'm going to put on, like on my ears. So, like, if we kind of just come closer, come over here. Alright, so this is the earrings here. Make a little pocket. I can kind of choose which ones I want to put in my ears. I'm definitely going to put both in. Both kinds. Yeah, so these are them all here. Oh, I love the butterflies. That one's going in. And there's like the moon. There's like these pointy ones. It's got a little snake on it. The snake's cute. And we've got little hearts here. I think there's 2 of each here. These actually don't feel really horrible either. I thought they were gonna be super horrible, but you know, they feel cheap, but they're not like that cheap. I don't know, these are them all here, and I think that they're really, really freaking adorable. I'm definitely gonna put the butterflies in now. Yay! They're in my ears, fantastic. So then we've got both phone cases. Now they do feel a little bit cheapy, but they look like they're gonna fit my phone really good. They're nice and just kind of your normal plasticky phone cases, but they're super cute. These are only like $2 each, I think, or $3, like super adorable. This one I love, and that's going on my phone right now, I think, because that is literally amazing. Alrighty, then we've got all of these butterfly clips. These are so cute. Come on, get the last one. So these are all of like pastel colors. We've got a nice little, oh, these feel super soft. These feel really velvety. These actually feel like really good quality. Nice, good quality, cute little neutral colors. I just had to get those. And then of course we have got the clear ones as well. So that's right. Now it's onto the clothes. We're onto the clothing. So I think what I'm going to try is this one here. Now this is a dinosaur jumper. I'm really excited for this one because it's like a cropped, it reminds me of like Chucky though, because it's like a cropped dinosaur jumper. Like look how cute that is. That is literally so adorable. I'm like, I love it. So let's try this on. Alright, so this is it here. Normally I get an like a 2XL just because I feel like it fits good. So this time I tried to get a lot of XL products. This is an XL. I think it's really cute. Like it needs to kind of cover my boobs a bit more, but I love it. It's cropped. It's super cute. I just love the kind of Chucky-esque feel to it. But this is the cropped dinosaur jumper and it is so freaking cute. So alright, so now there's another dinosaur jumper. It's this one here. So I wonder what size I got this one in. Oh, this one feels really nice. This one definitely feels like better quality than this one. This one feels more like your kind of tog material. This one feels way better. This is in a extra large as well. So it's just a wee white one. I feel like this one's going to be really nice. It's got... I'm so excited. Yes, dinosaur tops. Alright, so I'm going to try this one on. We'll see. Okay, like no joke. This is so incredibly comfortable. This is so comfy. It, like, the sleeves aren't that baggy. Definitely the 1X in this size would have been good. I'm normally a size 14, probably 16 pushing it. But this is the 1X, and this is, I love this. This is like my new favorite top. It's so comfortable. And I'm wearing a purple bra underneath. It's not even that see-through. So this is the dinosaur top. Ah, I love it! Alright, so now we got a nice kind of rainbow hoodie moment. I'm so excited to try this one because, freaking look at it. I think I got this one in a big size. What size did I get you in? I got you in a... I just got this in a size extra large. I think that may have been all that was there. But look at it. It's so cute. I'm so excited to try it on, and it's got this blue hood as well. I just love the colors on it. I think it's so pretty and cute, and I'm so excited. So let's put this on. Not gonna lie, also love this too. I think this was like $30, this one. And I quite like getting the guys 2XL Hallenstein's hoodies that are like kind of just one of these colors. So the fact that this is all these colors in here, I love this. It fits really good. It's comfortable. It feels warm. It's like kind of a thinner material, but I think that's just super adorable. It's so cute. Like, what do you guys think? I like it. Ugh. You have to let me know in the comments down below what your favorite outfit is as well, because this is just, yes. I don't really get pants off Shein though, just because I have such like a big ass to leg ratio that it's just hard to get pants that ever fit me. So that's why these are just mainly tops and dresses, because, you know, they don't have an ass. So it's a wee theme here because I also got the Cardi version of this. Now I love Peach PRC, and she has this Cardi, and I had to get it for myself. This is so freaking cute. It's the same kind of vibe, but it's a Cardi version. This is the 1XL, and honestly, I saw Peach wearing it and I was like, I have to have it. So let's try it on. Like, what a cute vibe this is. This is so cute. I love this. This, I don't even have a top on underneath, and you don't even need one on. This is the 1XL in the Shein Curve range. This, I just love the pastel colors. It's so nice. It's a cropped cardi. I've got like some trackies on. It's lovely. This is, and it's warm. It's nice. It's warm. It's colorful. Pop of color. Like, you could, I won't undo it, but you can undo the buttons, so you could wear it undone as well, just over like a dress or something. So, and now another grandma cardi, because bitch, I saw this and I had to have it. I had to have this grandma cardi as well. It's so, yeah. I was actually trying to find another one because there's a person I followed, Mermaid Lover, and she is wearing like a similar one to this, and I saw this one and I was like, I am going to get this. Living all of my 70s fantasy, but I couldn't get the one that she was wearing, even though it was so super cute. So this is so cute. I'm gonna put that on. I mean, it's freaking mad cute. This is adorable. This is so adorable. I don't even need a top on underneath. I think that's what I love about it. This and just like a pair of jeans, even a pair of leggings. Like, it is cropped. It's a little bit bigger there. I wonder what size I got this in. If I got it in a, I don't know. I don't know where the tag is. I can't see a tag in it, if that's helpful. Can't see a tag in it, but I'm assuming it's probably a 1X as well, or a 2X, if that. But that's it there. It's so freaking adorable. This is so cute. I love this. Literally, people sleep on Shein. No, why should you? Because this is stunning. So, alright, so now we've got a brown number, I think. Yeah, so I got this kind of waffle. I don't know what I was thinking. This looks really small. Kind of a waffle. This is a 1XL. So I think I tried getting it just 1XL in all these. This is a waffle kind of jumper, but it's got flared sleeves. I don't know, I really like brown, and this was the only kind of brown top on there, so I got this. So let's try it on. This one, love the sleeves. It's a little bit see-through. This one is probably the one that is a bit odd. Maybe a 2XL would have been good to have this in. I love the sleeves though with it. I think it's really cute. But I was not expecting this to be see-through at all, but it is. But it's not that bad. I think it's cute. I think it's cute, but it's see-through, so it's a bit odd. You know? Alright, so I did get some more brown stuff. I think this is the jacket I got. Yes! Oh my gosh, the like jacket hoodie I got. This just looked so cute. I had to get it. I love tee jumpers, and this one was adorable, so I'm excited to try this one on. This one's cute. This one's cute. I was about to say this is probably not that flattering, but I'm obsessed. But it's actually not that bad. I think I actually look quite cute in this. Like, once I put the hood up, I was like, yes, but even like without the hood, that's like cute. Like, she's going to be so comfy and warm wherever she's going. Like, oh, I think this is one of the most expensive items. I think this one was like $35 for this one, but it's got two little pockets here. It's so warm, and I love the neutral to white tones. I think it's really nice. So this is jumper. All right, we might be stretching to another territory now, because what have we got here? Oh, this is a skirt. So I did order like a skirt with suspenders, because I used to have one of these, and it was, oh, I loved the skirt. So I got this to try with some things. So I guess I need to put on a little jumper to try this on. So let's put on a jumper, try on the skirt, and that's didn't realize that these are freaking shorts. Yes, that makes me even more obsessed with them. Like, hello, I guess I could wear them like a bit high-rise waisted. I'm like, these are so adorable. They are shorts. I'm like, can you see it? Yeah, they're shorts. This outfit, this is so cute. I love these. I'm like, how's the ass? How's the ass? How's the ass? Oh my god, I love this. This is so cute. This is such a cute outfit. I was like, what top would look cute? The brown one would have, but I was like, this I'm feeling myself in these shorts though. Like this is comfortable. I love this. Yes. Okay. Now I'm like, I wonder if you can just see deep into my hallway and just like look at all the mess in there. Anyway, this one here is this was only $5. It's legit a like teddy dress. It's a dress, and I was like, this is gonna be so comfortable. Even if I just wore this in winter, amazing, comfy, like hoodie substitute. But I was like, if I ever have like a bear dress up, I have so many bear-like items. I could just be a bear to anything, like any event. I don't care, Halloween or whatever. I can just literally be a bear. And I saw this dress and I was like, I cannot not have this dress because I love this fabric so much. All right, what size is this one? Is it gonna say? Doesn't say, but this is it here. I need to put it on. I had to. It was $5, $5. 100% do not regret this purchase. I look fucking good. This is so comfortable. Like, look, showing off some leg. She's cute. I'm comfy. I'm cute. I could wear this out in winter time. It would be a great, like, teddy cosplay, but this is comfortable. This is one of the best purchases. I took this in and out of my cart so many times because I was like, don't be silly. You're never going to wear this. Now that I'm wearing it, I'm like, I can't imagine myself not wearing it. This is, this is weirdly one of my favorites. I love this. That's it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Alright, and then we've got a dress. This is like the first dress I've got in here. The only dress I've got. But I saw it and I was like, this is so cute. I feel like my boobs are not going to fit in there. This is going to be problematic. But let's try it on. I feel like it's going to be problematic. That literally is not going to cover my boobs. Okay, let's try it on. Alright, bear with me because if this had a belt, this would be cute. At the minute, it looks like a maternity dress. So I'm about to pose for a baby. But the sleeves, like, this is actually really cute. I just need something to cinch it in because, like, if you cinch it in, like, look, that's cute. That's cute. But at the minute, kind of looks like I'm about to pose for a maternity shoot. Like, but I actually really love this. I think this is a really nice dress. I love the sleeves too. I'm loving this bat wing at the minute. Like, oh, and the off the shoulder moment. Like, this actually isn't that bad. And the material hasn't gone real weird or anything. Like, I guess I could pull it down, just slightly be like, off my boob, for it to kind of cinch under, but I think that this is really cute. This is really nice. It's actually not that bad. So, yeah. And we got the last thing now. This is a pair of track pants. Now these have holographic freaking, these ones I don't know if they're going to work, but these have the same material as my Cool As pants. Like, you put a reflection on these and they will reflect in the light. Like, I don't even think I've got a torch in here at the minute. But I just think these are really cute. I really hope they fit. They look very freaking thin though. But I'm like, in the light, these are going to look so cute on, like, these little trackies. So, oh, you can kind of see the effect. See the holographic, like, butterflies? I know I love butterflies, so I'm going to try these on and we'll see. Alright, back to this brown top. But the pants, okay, so I look a bit funny around my guts. But the butterflies are so pretty. And the pants, I mean, the bottom, hook onto the leg really well. If that makes sense. It just kind of is not very flattering around the gut area. But if I had a top to cover that, it wouldn't be that bad. But the booty looks good. Booty looks good. No, this is probably not the right top to wear with it. But they're comfy. They're really nice, airy, light. The butterflies are the iconic moment of them. And they glow really nice. So, they're cute. But, yeah. That's the end of this long ass video. That's all the things I got from Shein. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I actually was really looking forward to these pants. But now that I have them on, I'm kind of like, kind of costumey material, but that's alright. So these two things here are probably my least favorite things out of them, but I still really vibe with them, so that's fine. So let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys get anything from Shein? Did you guys like this try on? Let me know. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!